Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Whitney, and today we're going to continue to discuss the pros and cons of industry acceptable products and practices. In this video, we're going to look at these metal flange protectors and determine whether they're the best option for you. Let's get started. Alright guys, there are two variations of metal flange protectors. One is known as a blind flange. A blind flange is simply a flange that does not have a bored center and is used to cap or close off an open flange in a piping system. Also, blind flanges have the same face thickness as a flange, a matching face type, and mimic the bolting pattern. The other variation of metal flange protectors is a flat, full face cover, also known as a plate protector. This version is much thinner than a blind flange, and they're easier to store, but they don't offer all the same benefits that blind flanges offer. Let's look at the pros of using metal flange protectors. Typically, they're made from stainless, carbon, or galvanized steel, which provides the strongest possible form of flange protection. These protectors are excellent in almost all applications, such as storage, shipping, and fabrication. Since the bore of the pipe is completely covered, debris is kept out of the pipes while completely surrounding the face, keeping it protected. A major pro of using blind flanges specifically is that they can remain on the pipe when testing the actual operating pressure of the system, and allows a nitrogen purge to be performed, which pushes moisture out of the piping components before final bolting. This test also makes it really easy to identify any leaks that the components may possess. Now, for the cons. A major con of metal protectors is that they're extremely heavy and difficult to handle. Especially in larger sizes, they typically need additional equipment like a crane or a lift. This adds to the time and labor needed to maneuver these. Often, when these covers are being removed from a component, it scrapes or slams against the flange face, causing severe mechanical damage. Compared to most of the flange protectors on the market, metal is also your most expensive option due to its costly material and manufacturing time. This material also doesn't prevent rust and corrosion on its own, so you would need another form of prevention, which would add to the material cost. Another added cost is that these protectors require something between them and the flange face, such as a gasket or a piece of rubber. They also take up quite a bit of space in a warehouse, and if stored outside, they must be properly protected from mechanical damage, just like a standard flange. Here is a quick wrap-up of the pros and cons of using metal flange protection. Make sure you guys join us next week when we continue to look at the pros and cons of industry standards. Please make sure you guys give this video a like. Got any questions or comments? Give us a call, shoot us an email, or leave a comment below.